Hi there, welcome to Kevy Shaves. Nice to see you, nice to be back here. Right, the reason I've done that little rain shower at the start is the razor I'm going to be using today is a new razor from Global Shave Club, and this is the Rain razor. Here it is here. It's a 3-piece non-adjustable razor. Comes like that, nice handle. I like the thickness of that handle. It's a little bit thicker than other handles. And it has the knurling on it, like the 3D knurling there. I'll give you some close-ups of the razors and I'll let you have a look at the spec sheet right now. So here is the razor, yeah, nicely made. I'll take it apart. As I say, it's kind of like an Edwin Jagger D89 head. There it is there. Yeah, and I'm going to put inside that second use Gillette silver blue blade. So it has one dot on the back there. That means I know it's been used once. And I will put that on there like that. Be careful with your fingers. There's the blade there. That goes on the bottom, and as I do with all my razors, I'm going to put the little plastic washer onto there, and that just stops the metal marking each other when it screws in. There it is there, blade alignment, spot on, perfect. Yeah, great. Thanks to Sheldon for sending this. I know Sheldon he's not been keeping very well recently. He's had a bit of an illness, so hopefully you're on the mend now, Sheldon, and everything is good. Yeah, hope you get well soon. Right, that's the razor. I'm going to be bowl lathering in this 3D printed plastic bowl. Yeah, this won't break if you drop it. It has nice ridges in the bottom. The cream I'm going to be using is this. Let me get it that the right way around for you. It's Williams Expert Menthol Ice Fresh. I've never used this cream. I think it was given to me by Alexander Kaplan, who some of you will know as Oive Chapo. I think he picked it up in Spain, but it's a brand new tube. So I'll just pierce the top there. I'll squeeze some into the bowl. I don't know how much to use. So, great big blob in there. Right, I'll let that sit. Now, I'll put the cap back on this. How are you all doing? I should have asked that. How are you all doing? Right, straight away, I've got some notes here. I forgot to wish Jay Silver a happy 35th birthday on October 11th. So happy birthday, happy belated birthday, Jay. 35. You're catching up on me, buddy. Yeah, many happy returns. I hope you had a great day and I hope you had a great time on your birthday. Okay, that's good. Right, let me show you the brush. Here it is here in the box. Wolf Whiskers. As some of you may know, I visited London recently and I met up with Alexander Kaplan, aka Oive Chapo, and he had this brush and he said, do you want to try it? Have a go with it, see what you think. So I tried it and he said, what did you think of the brush? Great, Wolf Whiskers brush, badger knot, beautiful, really soft, I really liked it. I went to give him it back and he said, keep it, it's yours. Unbelievable, unbelievable kindness and generosity from that man. Thank you, Alex. I can't fault your generosity. You're the most generous man in wet shaving. Here's the information inside the box. Wolf Whiskers, yeah. It's a collaboration with Maggard Razors. Comes like this. Nice little box like that. And here is the brush. So there's the Wolf Whiskers logo on the bottom there. Yeah, look at this. Absolutely incredible. Beautiful, beautiful brush. And the knot on this, it's a 28mm badger knot. Yeah, really nice. I can't believe I've got a Wolf Whiskers brush. All thanks to one man's generosity and kindness. Right, I'm going to put that into the sticky toffee pudding super soaker. Just let it have a little soak. Right, okay, I also want to mention Polar Shaving, who is Randy Wright. He has a video up at the moment of using the Game Changer, RazorRock Game Changer 0.68, and he mentioned my video in it where I compared the 0.68 and the 0.84. So thank you very much for that, Randy. So I'll put a link to Randy's channel, go and check him out. He does a lot of stuff with Frank's shaving brushes. Yeah, all very good, and if you want to buy one of those brushes in the States, Randy's the guy to go to. Right, so I'll put a link to that. That's everything done. I've got other things to talk about, so let's get the shave started. We'll start lathering this up. There's the razor. Did I mention it was called the Rain? Let's see, every time I say that it's going to do that. Did I say it was called the Rain? Right, I think that'll be wet enough. I'll just like a horse taking a piss. Okay, let's go. Nice ridges in this bowl. Scent on that's it's kind of just like a creamy scent. But it whips the lather up, no problem. Add some more water. And I'm just going to take that to the face. So it's not created a lather in the bowl, just kind of loaded the brush. Let's put some water on the face first. Oh, this is super soft. Yeah, I can feel the menthol. That's a nice cream. It has like a creamy. I can smell menthol, obviously. There's a bit of a like mint or something going on, spearmint or peppermint. Right, I'll just put some water in the knot now. Yeah, this is a fabulous knot, really, really good. So soft. I'll just get some more water in it. So how have your shaves been going? Good, huh? Yep. It's Friday as I film this, so the weekend is here again, almost. I don't know if I'll get this uploaded on Friday or it might be Saturday. Wow. Just dip the tips again. Look at that. Yeah, this Williams cream, it says on the tube, it's, I don't know if it came in a box, it might have came in a box, but it says on the tube it's made in the UK. I've never seen it in any of the stores here. Just dip the tips again. Oh, this knot is so soft on this brush. Great lather, look at that. Okay, let's set that down there. Cleaned up a little bit. Heat up the razor and the blade. Very nice, right, let's go with this. Okay, I just want to move this box for the brush. Okay, let's go with the Rain. Very smooth feeling. I don't know if I've hit the jackpot with these Gillette Silver Blues. I can't remember them being this smooth. I can't remember what razor I used this one. Was it the Russian Start razor? I can't remember. See, they've started shipping them out to some other YouTubers, the Russian razor. I've seen a video of Ken Surfs using it. He seemed to enjoy it. I don't have it at the moment. I've loaned it out to a couple of guys in the UK, guys that I trust, that I know will look after it. So they're trying it out at the moment. But this is a very nice razor. Not expensive, but it's doing the job very well. Yeah, very smooth. I like the thickness of this handle and the weight of it. It's very comfortable to use. Nice. Okay, first pass done. Let's have a... Wow, really nice. Okay, let me rinse and come back for pass number 2. Okay, rinsed off nicely. Back to this overloaded brush. Yeah, look at that. I don't think I've used any of these kind of cheap European cream. I've not used one that didn't perform really well. I'm just going to add a little bit more water to that. Get back. Yeah, I can feel the menthol now starting to cool my skin, which is good. It's a nice feeling. It's not overboard menthol. It's not like a... I would say it's probably maybe about a 4 or a 5 on the menthol strength. Menthol strength scale. You try saying that. 4 or 5 on the menthol strength scale. Yeah, you probably could It's just me and my freaking. Okay, let's go back to this Global Shave and the Rain razor. With the Gillette Silver Blue, second use. Yeah, it does feel similar to the D89. A little bit, it has a little bit more efficiency, shall we say. It's not aggressive in any way, it doesn't feel aggressive, it just feels nice. It's a nice comfortable shave. Yeah, right, okay, let's talk about, I know other people have talked about it and it's due to come out very soon. The new Gillette DE razor. I kind of think opinions a bit split in the wet shaving community. Some people aren't too happy at Gillette with their advertising campaign. It kind of pissed some people off. My thoughts on it, I'm kind of on the fence. I'm really happy that they're introducing a new DE razor. It doesn't have Gillette on the name, it has it on the box, okay, but I'm happy that they're doing that. That they've obviously seen what Wilkinson Sword have done, seen the popularity of that razor, the new Wilkinson Sword Classic, and they've obviously thought, right, okay, there's some money to be made here, let's do it. So they're releasing the Gillette Heritage razor on, I think it ships from Amazon.com on the 1st of November, something like that. Okay, let me rinse this off and then we'll talk some more about that, so I will see you in a minute or two. Okay, that's that rinsed off. Yeah, I got a new wig made. So just got it done today. So actually, the girl who was cutting my hair at the barber's said, "Oh, you were celebrating a special birthday recently, weren't you?" I said, "Yep, that's right." She said, "What was it, 40?" I was like, "Okay, yep, that's an extra tip for you." So at the end, we were having a joke about it. I said, "I thought I got special rate for pensioners." She said, "Oh, but I said you were only 40. She's good. I've just collected some more soap from the bowl there, so. What a great knot. Yeah, so getting back to the Gillette Heritage razor that they're bringing out. I was actually contacted by, not by Gillette, by someone in the States. I'm not going to mention his name because I don't know if he wants me to. And he said he would send me one. So I've got one coming, but I'm sure some of the guys in the States you'll have seen that first. I think Ken Surf will be reviewing it and stuff as well. So. Look at that, lovely. Yeah, so I'm kind of on the fence. I'm glad that they're third pass against the growth, by the way, with the rain. I don't know. Yeah, I'm kind of glad that they're releasing a DE razor. Yeah, part of me thinks I don't know if I just nicked myself there. Yeah. Part of me thinks, yeah, I just caught myself under the nose. Part of me thinks that they want to make money, which is fair enough. They're a big company, they want to make money. That's what everybody wants to do in companies, I guess. But another part of me thinks, I wonder if they're doing it to kind of test the water, test the market, see how these sales go, and then will they consider bringing back one of the old twist to opens from the 50s or 50s and 60s. You know, if this razor really sells well, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm not concentrating, that's how I got myself under the nose there. Yeah, if this razor sells well, will they then think, okay, let's try the market with a twist to open razor, made in the USA or something maybe? Yeah, I wasn't concentrating. Chatting too much to you guys. Right, let me just get the styptic on that. If I can find it. Right, so just this little styptic. I'll just wet this. There's a couple little dots here. I didn't even feel that. It must be with the menthol in the soap. Yeah, I'll just hold that on there. It's not a big cut, it's not bleeding a lot, but just put that on there and leave that to dry. Right, okay, let's have a little feel about for pickups. Yeah, so did you get what I was saying there in between in between all that? Yeah, so I think that's this garbled. Yeah, so I'm a little bit kind of split. I'm glad they're bringing one out, and I hope it's for the right reasons. I hope it does sell well, and I understand people that are a bit hacked off with them about the advertising campaign. You know, and they won't buy Gillette products again, but it's up to the individual, I guess, and what your feelings are on that. I don't mind. It's not going to make any difference to my world. And you've no idea what goes on in Kevy's world. And here, wow. It's a minefield. Yeah, that's going to stop. Okay. Cold water will sort that and I'll get some more styptic on it. Right, let me have a quick rinse. My God, I can talk. That's a very nice shave. Yeah, look. You see that? There we go. That's disgusting. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's left in this knot. Plenty of lather, and there's actually some in the bowl here too, which I will endeavour to scoop out. Okay, let's have a let's have a face wash with this. Cream feels great actually, really nice. I'll let this soak in. I'll see that little nick there, and I'll rinse it off with cold water. See you for the post shave. See you for the post shave. Wow, nice shave. Apart from that little nick there, pretty comfortable. Right, okay, post shave. I'm going with the old classic Aqua Velva Ice Blue. Now I've decanted this into a glass bottle. I think there's sweet chilli sauce in this, so I have rinsed it out, so don't worry, there's not any chilli sauce left in it. Yeah, so what I do is just put my finger over the top like that, and just be careful, just pour a little bit in there. Okay, this will burn. Oh, what a great scent. Great kind of powdery. Oh, that was nippy. Very nice. Ah, yeah. I think there might be a little bit of menthol in that too. No, there's not. My skin feels nice. That feels really good. Okay, and to finish it off, I'm going to use Nivea Sensitive Post Shave Balm, and there's 0% alcohol in this. Just a little bit of that. There we go. Yeah, that's all you need. Just to put the moisture back in. Oh, what a great scent. Yeah, I thought the aftershave would open this up again, but no, it seems to be okay. I put some more styptic on it once I'd washed off the face wash lather. And there we have it. Nice, very good. Okay, let me show you what we've used in today's shave, what we've used. Myself and some friends here. Okay, the cream for today was Williams Crème à Réserve Menthol Ice Fresh. Great cream, very good, nice and dense. I put it in this bowl, I kind of loaded the brush in the bowl, and then just applied it to the face, but very good. It can take a good bit of water as well. Good cream, slick, dense. Yeah, what's not to like? I love these cheap creams, very good. That was the bowl we used, plastic 3D printed bowl. The razor today was the Global Shave Club. I'm just going to give it a little wipe with the water. From the water, Global Shave Club Rain razor. Yeah, nice handle. I like this handle. Nice and grippy. It's a little bit thicker. A good weight to it. A kind of D89 style head. A little bit more aggressive. As you can tell with that little nick there, I wasn't concentrating. I was chatting too much. Yeah, right. Yeah, a good razor. Go and check it out. Links to everything in the description. The brush. A fantastic Wolf Whiskers brush. Very kindly given to me by Alex Kaplan, aka Oive Chapo. Let me just wipe all the water off that. I'll wipe everything down anyway before I put it away. Yeah, what a beautiful brush. I'm really honoured to get this. I feel very privileged, and I will cherish it. 28mm badger knot, look at that. I'm going to do that, look how dense that is. Yeah, great knot. That was the cream. The blade inside the razor was a Gillette Silver Blue, second use. Nice blade, very smooth. We then had a face wash, rinsed off with cold water. We took care of these little nick here and one here. Was it here? Oh, I can't remember where it was. One here anyway, with the little styptic pencil. That took care of it. Post shave was Aqua Velva Ice Blue Splash, and finished it off with Nivea Men Sensitive Post Shave Balm. And that, ladies and gents, boys and girls, hamburgers and cheeseburgers, celery and carrots, that's the shave for today. Thank you very much for all your comments in recent videos. I love answering them, I love reading them. I try and answer questions as best I can. Some people will be way more knowledgeable than I ever will be about shaving stuff, so feel free to chime in and if someone asks a question, if I can't answer it, someone else will, I'm sure. Thanks very much for watching. It's a great time to be a wet shaver. Fantastic products. Gillette bringing out their new DE razor. Go and check out Global Shave. I'll put the links to everything that I can find in the description. But if it's not there and you want to ask me, and I'll try and find a link for it for you. Like the 3D printed bowl and stuff like that. It's on a forum you might need to join, and I don't know. But yeah, anyway. Okay, good shave today. Really nice, skin feels great. Nice and close. Yeah, love it. Very enjoyable shave. With friends, have yourselves a fantastic weekend. If the sun is shining where you are, aren't you lucky? Guess what we've got here? No, we don't. It's quite bright here actually, it's okay. Have yourselves a fantastic weekend, enjoy it, relax. If you're working, thank you, and enjoy the time when you get off. Right, okay, that's all from me for today. I've waffled on enough I think now. What do you think? Yeah, do you agree? Yeah, okay. I'll see you in the next video. Look after loved ones, enjoy life, and try and stay positive and happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. See ya.